Today, this poor little snowman will meet his fate. Today. This video. Yes. Beat the snowman. My parents wouldn't let me destroy this family. But you know, we can beat this snowman right here. So you know, we're gonna do some tricks with this bad boy, you know. Chuck it against the ground. Chuck him off some buildings. Beat him with a yellow brick road. And many more. So stay tuned, guys. And yeah, let's get into this.
Most of them gon' talk, I know. Most of them gon' fall, I know. We gon' bet it all, I know. We gon' bet it all, I know.
That's our first order of business. We have taken Mr. Snowman here, and we are going to chuck him off this like 10 foot or whatever. You ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, again. Are you ready?
Yeah.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every night and day.
Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running?
I'm gonna hit it with the house.
Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running?
Here we go. Dock the road. Eee. Oh, his button fell off.
Big bun.
His button. Now we're gonna break the yellow brick road in half.
Chuck the cooler at him. Ah! That's a lot of damage.
No, that's a lot of damage.
Throw it up.
My name's Melvin, and I've got a 3 o'clock appointment for some plastic surgery.
Well, we have some FLEXTAPE in the bag. We can fix it right up.
FLEXTAPE. I need some scissors, bro. Give me some scissors. Ah!
me, guys. I feel so much better.
I'm gonna go outside and return Mr. Snowman to his family. It's like 16 degrees. So
It got cold outside. Oh,
here you go, Mr. Snowman. There he is with his family. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.
Now that's a lot of damage.